Hello viewers, here I will explain to you how to create a picture gallery for your institution. For creating a gallery, first you have to create a gallery name and description. For that you have to select Manage Gallery under the Photo Gallery module, or you can directly access it through your dashboard. Now here are two galleries created, Craft and Sports. You can also create new one. And in order to view these gallery, you can use three button, View, Edit and Delete. As the name suggests, View is used to view the gallery. This is your gallery name, gallery cover image and description. Similarly, if you want to edit the gallery, just click on Edit button and you can easily edit your gallery name and description. And lastly, the Delete button. When you click on Delete button, a pop-up will be shown for confirming, are you sure to delete this gallery? If yes, click on Delete button, otherwise close one. Now if you want to create a new gallery, click on Create New Gallery. I am creating new one. Now create a name. I am just using dummy data. Now click on Create Gallery. Now a gallery is created and there is no cover image and yet uploaded, so there is a default image. Now first you have to upload some image and then add image from library. For seeing the image in the library, click on Add Image from Library and you can see different type of images in your library. Similarly, if you want to upload some more images into your library, you can click on Upload Image and then choose File button. You can select as many images you want to upload in your library. I am selecting 2, and you also notice that the name of the images must be correct. So in order to add image to your library, you have to first edit uploaded images. Now I am editing the name of this image. Again, I am editing the description. I am inserting dummy data. Now back to your image list. Now you see the name and description of your uploaded image is successfully updated. Secondly, back to the library and view the library. Now you successfully uploaded the images to your library. Now second step is to add the images from library. Now there are Add button. So you can add as many photographs you want to add your library. Once you click on Add, it automatically adds in your library. Now back to the gallery. You have successfully created a gallery, name, description and added image to it. Now if you want to view gallery, you have to click on View Gallery under the Photo Gallery page. Now the two galleries are previously created and the new one is your dance. You can see that the cover image of the dance is not updated. So on clicking on dance, select as a cover image. Once you select as a cover image, back to the gallery. Now again refresh the button. You notice that the cover image has been updated. So in this way you can create a gallery. Now if you want to view your gallery, just click on gallery name, select an image, and a slider will be displayed. The slider will run automatically. And providing the information from which gallery's images are shown. So it is important to you to give the correct name of gallery and image. So in this way you can manage your photo gallery. You have to first manage your gallery, create your gallery name and description, then manage the photo, edit or update image information, and then view the gallery and select the cover image. So this is the whole process in order to manage your gallery.